Hello there, I'm Richard Sale. I'd like to congratulate you on your purchase of Nature is a Toilet on VHS, brought to you by Macy Schitz & Company. This film is for dogs only. It is not intended for human viewing. You will be given a 5-second countdown, in which you must leave your dog in the room and please exit. Where's my check?
Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Don't be on the couch, you stupid mutt. Don't be on the couch, don't be on the couch. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. One day soon you have to go out to pee, cause you can't use the toilet inside like me. So when you go out to squeeze that log, remember what I say, you stupid dog. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Don't be on the couch, you stupid mutt. Don't be on the couch, don't be on the couch. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. One day soon you have to leave that log. Can't use the toilet, cause you're a dog. When you go out with your owner in hand, remember that strategy we had planned. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Don't be on the couch, you stupid mutt. Don't be on the couch, don't be on the couch. Squeeze that doodle right out your butt. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle.
You can't go into the toilet room cause you're a dog. You have to go outside to squeeze those logs.
Squeeze that doodle right out your butt.
Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle.
Squeeze that doodle right out your butt.
Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle.
Don't be on the couch, you stupid mutt.
Don't be on the couch, don't be on the couch.
Squeeze that doodle right out your butt.
Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle.
Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle. Don't be on the couch, don't be on the couch. Squeeze that doodle, squeeze that doodle.